paint your mind blue and green. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul, shadows on the hills. Sketch the trees and the daffodils, catch the breeze and away the chills, in colors on the snowy building. Now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they would not know how. Perhaps they listen.